So if I talk about Krishna Maruti always had the way edge ahead in the technology field of, if I talk about the manufacturing systems, we always had the latest technologies like robots and automated machines, which were working out for the giving the comfort to the customers who are using our products. But with the new technologies coming in field, I think we are starting leveraging those particular technologies to see how exactly we are able to get the data from these machines and analyze these things and give the organization edge that we should be ahead of our competition to get the technology in place. What our OEMs are looking for, because the parameters are changing on a daily basis today. Because new government regulations keeps on coming, we need to have the traceability of the parts because we manufacture a lot of model parts which are more critical for your safety of the passenger sitting into the cars. To have the traceability of what particular part was produced on what particular day, what particular material was put into that particular part, so that in case of any issue arising over there, we should be able to pinpoint to that particular day production which has happened, and instead of recalling a particular product of the month or so, we are able to pinpoint that particular thing and should be able to close the things, and we should be able to resolve the issue of the customers. So that is where the technology adoption is going on, with the adoption of AI and analytics being put into place. So those things are in the process. I think so we are in the process to put in these technologies to take the benefit of the data which is being generated over a period of time and being captured by the machines which have been put into place. That is where we are. The organization has really started its journey on the sustainability part of it. We really talk about, as of now, it has not come to our organization as a mandate to the things, but our organization has really put in the place the committees to really see how exactly the sustainability can be looked into, and we are able to contribute to the environment by reducing the carbon footprint. We are able to give back to the environment the best quality things. We should not be able to putting wrong water into the things that it is spoiling the environment. We have started looking into it. We have moved from the digisets for digital authing to PNG, CNG based things. We have put in solar panels to get the technology, the electricity carbon footprint to be reduced. So more and more things, we are looking into more energy efficient machines today that it should not consume that much. We have put in a lot of data analytics and dashboards into our plants so that we are able to see which particular machine is as of now idle or is being not in use, so that we are able to shut down that particular machine and save onto the energy consumption. At the same time, we have got extra consumption is happening and the carbon footprint is being reduced that way. So those technological dashboards and analytics tools has been put into place to capture all those things and help the environment to grow on that. See, going forward, I think so the needs from the customers is going to be much more focused. Today, sometimes we do repetitive manufacturing sort of thing. That repetitive manufacturing part of thing might go off. So we are working on flexible systems to be able to the things. We are working on smart factories to be put into place so that any changes in the things should be captured by the same machines available. We should not investing so much on the machines to have different models available. That flexible factories, smart factories is one direction we are working. We are working for the green factories to happen, that we should consume as less power into machines. We should be able to make the factories so green that the energy consumption into your daily routine jobs should also be reduced, and less water should be consumed in this measure. We should have our own recycling plants and other things so that we are able to contribute more towards that. And complete traceability of my parts from the inception to the delivery, which particular model, which particular thing has gone from which state, which particular machine. All those things are being planned in the say that the day we start on that particular part, that should be in place.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.